Hello, my name is Derek Morrison. I'm a sales manager for Toshiba Canada. Tonight I'd like to demonstrate for you how our Toshiba industrial label printers can print labels on containers, on lids, on labels for shipping boxes, all to an international GS1 labeling standard. I'm going to share a screen and we'll start right away. So for many industries, product labeling is a critical part of the business process. And what we're looking at here are all the items you might need to complete that process. So starting in the middle, we have a Toshiba BEX4T2 industrial label printer. And it's printing on labels that are pre-printed color labels that are very narrow. Sorry, it's a bit blurry there, but you get the idea. Very narrow, and we might have to and you have to print in very small point sizes at thousands of labels. So those labels have to be quality labels. They have to be no errors. They must be legible at very small point sizes. I want you to notice that this is again the BEX4T2 printer. This is the ribbons right here. This is your label holder that goes to the machine. Right here is an internal rewinder inside the printer. The labels go through here and out to here. And this here is a external rewinder. In hindsight, we probably didn't need the internal rewinder, but it's hindsight. So with external rewinders, what we have these labels go onto another roll, which fits, and that roll is placed inside a big machine. It can be up to maybe 50 feet long. That will automatically package and apply pre-printed labels to finished product passing through the production line. The other thing I want to draw attention to right here is we have the a handheld scanner. This particular one is called a Data Logic, who Toshiba partners with for all their advanced scanning needs, including handheld computers that can scan. So these are all the components that are required to create a labeling solution that was accepted by in this case, a provincial-wide liquor commission that had very high labeling standards, world-class labeling standards. Actually, to be specific, we had to create a solution that could print accurately and scan quickly what is known as GS1 data bar expanded stacked barcodes. So this is what a GS1 expanded stacked barcode looks like. In this case, it's a circular label being placed automatically onto a lid as it passes through the production line. GS1 Data Set expanded stacked has both machine readable, so that's why we need a very high quality hand scanner to check our work, and human readable text below, which tells us things like where this product was produced, when it was produced, the lot number, the batch number, all kinds of stuff. GS1 is a global standard for labeling, and Toshiba label printers are very capable of printing those labels at high quality and at high speed. So these are actually what these narrow product labels that I showed you a blurry image of is actually what we are printing on the labels. In the background, imagine a color pre-printed label. And this is all the variable information we're printing on the back of the label. Similarly, I want you to imagine that we also have to print 4x4 shipping labels that look like this. And again, we have a very complex barcode. In this case, it's called GS1 GS1-128 that has to scan well at high speeds. So to see the printer in action, we're going to print 12 labels. So this is a better view of the label printer in action. As you can see, the labels are coming off the roll through the printer. I want to mention this is a 600 dot per inch printer because we were printing very small point sizes, through the machine, onto the rewinder, and using the hand scanner, we would periodically scan about here or about here, barcodes as they come out of the printer to make sure that everything looks good and is accurate. So as you can see, this is my contact information. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to help. So I hope you enjoyed this brief demonstration of Toshiba labeling equipment combined with a third-party rewinder and a third-party scanner, but best in their fields, to produce an effective and accurate GS1 barcode solution for a busy company in the food industry. In this case, specifically the cannabis industry. So at any rate, I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.